In this guide, you'll learn how to recharge products such as back films and hydrogel films onto your Forward Zero cutting machine using the iOS app. You can download the app through the link we've provided in the description or search for Zero Plotter on the App Store. Once downloaded, open the app. The login details for the app will be located at the bottom of your cutting machine. This will be your unique account number and password. Enter your login details and press Login. Once you've logged in, click My Account in the bottom right, then click Material Code. Next, click Scan to scan the QR code on the product you'd like to add to your machine. You'll find the QR code on the back of your film pack. Hover your camera over the QR code. The app will recognize it and immediately add the product. Once the product is scanned, the QR code's unique long number will show in the white box. Click OK. Once you've clicked OK, this will bring up a message saying Recharge Success. Navigate to the account menu and your usable number will have increased to the amount of products you have added. You have now successfully added new film cuts to your Forward Zero machine and can begin cutting.